classroom, teachers are expected to guide, support, and treat all students fairly. However, there are times when personal feelings and misunderstandings can create ethical challenges. This role-play presents a situation where professional boundaries between a teacher and a student are tested, which will lead to favoritism, gossip, and discomfort among classmates. This scenario is based on the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers, particularly Article 8, Section 7. Let us observe how the situation unfolds and how it can be resolved through professionalism and ethical responsibility.
Okay, class dismissed. Kyle, your project last week was very impressive.
Thank you, ma'am. I really worked hard.
And it shows. Keep it up. If you need help with your studies, you may approach me during your school hours.
Have you noticed? Mom always looks to Kyle.
Yeah, because it's getting special attention.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go.
After class, Kyle stays behind. What starts as a simple conversation turns into a serious situation.
Can I be honest with
Of course, Kyle, what is it?
you? Nothing. Start with me politely, not just my picture.
Kyle, thank you for being honest, but this is not appropriate. I am your teacher and we must maintain a professional relationship.
I understand, ma'am, but I didn't know what to do.
Thank you for being honest, but we must set clear boundaries. Let's just focus on that.
The next day, rumors begin to spread among students. Misunderstanding starts to grow.
Did you know Kyle confessed to Miss Lopez?
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, Mom always talked to him and it looks like favoritism.
Oh, that's dangerous. People might misunderstand everything, of course. Let's go.
Inside the classroom, tension becomes noticeable. Some students begin to question fairness.
Of course, Kyle got the highest score again.
Maybe he earned it.
Or maybe he's just the teacher's favorite.
Realizing the situation is escalating, Ms. Lopez seeks professional guidance.
Good morning, Ms. Lopez. What can I do for you?
Mrs. Cruz, I need your guidance. Student confessed feelings to me, and now there are rumors spreading.
Thank you, Ms. Lopez. You handled the confession very well. We're not encouraging you. But now, you must be extra careful, okay?
What should I do next?
You need to follow professional decision, like avoid private communication, be transparent, and make sure you treat all your students equally. And this will prevent gossip and favoritism.
Thank you, Mrs. Cruz. I will act on this immediately. Thank you. I will act on this immediately.
With proper advice, Ms. Lopez takes action to maintain professionalism and set clear boundaries.
Kyle, I want to clarify something. From now on, our communication will be strictly about academics and only during proper school hours.
I understand, ma'am.
I will also make sure to treat you the same as everyone else.
That's okay, ma'am. I respect your decision.
To clear misunderstandings, Ms. Lopez addresses the whole class.
Class, you know to remind everyone that I treat you equally. Your grades are based on your performance and effort.
See, she's being fair.
Yeah, I guess we judge too quickly.
Through professionalism and ethical responsibility, the situation is resolved. Trust and fairness are restored inside the classroom. This reminds us that being a teacher is not only about knowledge, but also about integrity, responsibility, and professionalism.